Well, Paul here. Today on the bench, we have a Toledo Scale. The customer sent in to be repaired because it's not working. And I'm just looking it over. Just got it on the bench today. Got an adjustment here to calibrate it. I see the glass is a little chipped in there. Overall, the finish is fine on it. I don't see any real major scrapes. A little scrape there. Let's see what else we got. This doesn't look like it's closed right here. That's just kind of strange there. And I can see right through on the other side. And that could be what hurt that glass. I don't know, somebody's been in here because this is just not closed right. Turn it a little more. This side seems okay. A little bit of staining here. Oh, while I got it here, it says Toledo Scale Company, Toledo, Ohio, style 405BI, and then it's got the serial number. And it's got the patent numbers, which will help kind of get a rough date on it. And then on this side, it's got another indicator. Both indicators are off. They slide back, and it's got glass here. You can see up there, there's some paint missing there and there. There's something not right here with these glasses. They shouldn't be loose like that. They should have rubber or silicone or something. Well, it would have been rubber back in the day, right? But rubber you hear how they're rattling. Somebody's been in here and see this one? And I can see this one's chipped on the end too. See it there? I can't see it from the front. Maybe it was cut that way. I don't know. I won't know until I get in there. Some markings here. Some of this may come off. Some of it may not. Marking there. Okay, so that's what we got there. Let me put the camera down a second. I'll flip it on its side and we'll take a look at the bottom. Okay, we got some issues here for sure. We're missing some parts. See here? This does nothing. I don't know what, unless it should, no, that's not just the counterweight. That has some kind of bead that sticks down with a point on it. That's a pivot that was meant to go into something. Also, this is missing a rod that should come out of here. You'll notice the screws. We got a flathead, a Phillip, a flat. Phillip is not right. Somebody's changed that. This screw looks original. These two might be original too, but they're smaller in diameter. The heads are smaller than that one. We've got a screw here that's sticking out. And then there's this one that's got a nut, and I don't know what it's about, but it has a nut on it, but it's just sitting there. It's not connected to anything in there, see it? Just sticks through. So I don't know what that's for. Those two, I don't know what they do. This is an adjuster for the front height. You would think it would have a rubber base on it, but I think there was a base that went on here. Now that I look at it, see there's a screw here and a screw hole here, and there's no plate. And see, this has a locking mechanism here and here. There would have been a plate that sat in there over this one and behind this tab and this tab. It's not here. This is definitely not right. It has a threaded bolt here, but it goes nowhere. Don't seem to. Nope, that's not going nowhere. So there are a lot of pieces missing. This mechanism is here. This part going up here. It's intact anyway. See, and that goes with the scale. But this here, apparently this would, I see what's happening. The missing plate, this had some kind of pivot that would hit on it, and it would that would have some effect on it. There's a broken piece of, I guess that used to be a coil tension spring, and it's broken off. So there's no dealing with that. Unfortunately, pieces are missing, and there's another crack in the glass up there. See it? I wouldn't have seen it had I not laid it down. Unless it was cut like that. There's one here too, but it don't seem to be as big as that one. So I think that's just because something's missing. That glass should not be loose. This cover should not be loose. It's like it's supposed to have a gasket that goes around here, and it's missing. Because see, it's closed here, all the way around here. This is all nice and snug. So, and it's metal on metal. It wouldn't need a gasket there, right? It might have had a thin one. But it looks like there would have been a gasket here for the glass, of course, that would have went around. And that's why there's a gap on this side here and a gap here, because there should be a gasket in there to protect that glass. No one will put glass on metal. It's just not going to work. But the bigger issue is pieces are missing that I don't have, so I can't fix it without all of the parts, and we don't have all of the parts. So I got to upload this video and show the customer, let him know that he's missing components. This unit cannot work without the rest of the pieces. I'll do a search, but I'm pretty sure you can't find them. Those pieces, you'd have to buy another unit, right? I mean, because they're part of the weight assembly. Ain't nobody gonna have it. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Thanks for watching.